in the blender, I've got my green onion, bell pepper, garlic. No, I'm about to add the garlic and my salmon. I'm gonna blend this up, guys. I'm gonna blend this up right now. So it's looking like I started putting it in the pan. That's what it's looking like, guys. Added my powdered seasoning, and you could put whatever seasoning you like. Now I'm gonna form it into balls and drop it in this seasoned flour. That's what they're looking like right now, guys. Some of them is hidden in the bottom of the flour. I'm gonna let it sit in the refrigerator for a while. So they're golden brown, guys. Yummy. I'm about to make my barbecue sauce. So my sauce is looking like, guys. I added the salmon balls and I'm letting it soak up the juices. So this is the finished product. Delicious barbecue salmon balls paired with rice and peas, a little bit of salad, and avocado. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. See y'all in the next video.